In the fast-paced world of trading, success isn't just a matter of reading charts. It's an intricate dance between psychology, strategy, and financial finesse. Welcome to Wealthway, and today, get ready for a deep dive into the wisdom of Dr. Alexander Elder, a pioneer in the art of successful trading. Today, we embark on a journey through the pages of trading for a living, unraveling 5 key insights that can elevate your trading game to new heights. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. 1. The 3 pillars of trading, the foundation of success. Imagine trading as a 3-legged stool. Knock out one leg and you'll find yourself on shaky ground. Dr. Elder introduces us to the 3 pillars of trading: psychology, market analysis and trading systems, and money management. It's a holistic approach to trading, emphasizing the need to balance these elements. Let's dissect each pillar and understand why they're crucial for sustained success. Trading is as much about mastering your mind as it is about reading charts. Dr. Elder's analogy compares traders to a person who claims he wants to lose weight but succumbs to short-term pleasures like eating cake or skipping the gym. Similarly, traders claim they want success but often fall victim to impulsive decisions. The short-term thrill of a trade can be enticing, but the long-term benefits of disciplined trading outweigh momentary gains. Understanding oneself, keeping emotions in check, and learning from mistakes are the keys to psychological resilience in trading. Picture trading as constructing a building. You need a blueprint, a trading system. Dr. Elder stresses the importance of a robust system that encompasses market analysis. It's not just about spotting trends. It's about having a systematic approach, like a diet. A system only works if you stick to it. You'll learn why combining psychology, market analysis, and a trading system is like having a solid foundation for your trading journey. Dr. Elder's emphasis on money management is akin to building a financial fortress. Survival comes first, and he provides a golden rule: never risk more than 2% of your equity in a single trade. This isn't just about preserving your capital. It's about ensuring you have the ammunition to navigate the unpredictable terrain of the market. We delve into why managing risk is a game changer and how it separates traders from mere gamblers. 2. How to keep your emotions in check. Navigating the trader's mind. Dr. Elder's insights on emotional control in trading are a game changer. Trading is not just about reading charts. It's about reading yourself. Analyzing oneself can be as time-consuming as analyzing the markets, but it's a crucial investment. We explored the 6 pieces of advice from Dr. Elder to maintain emotional composure. Are your expectations aligned with reality? Dr. Elder confronts the common illusion of turning a small trading account into a financial lifeline. He advocates for a realistic mindset, acknowledging that trading is a journey, not a sprint. Dr. Elder introduces a powerful tool: keeping a diary of your trades. Documenting the rationale behind each trade and attaching a screenshot provides a valuable learning resource. It's a way to recognize patterns, learn from mistakes, and avoid repeating errors. Before diving into the market's frenzy, Dr. Elder advises setting rules. Establishing a strategy before entering a trade helps avoid impulsive decisions influenced by market noise. It's about having a clear exit plan before joining the crowd. Recognizing when to take a step back is a skill. Dr. Elder suggests a hiatus if you sense you're overtrading and your results are suffering. Stepping back allows for self-reflection, preventing emotional burnout and aiding in strategy reassessment. Sound money management is the cornerstone of successful trading. Dr. Elder underscores its importance, emphasizing that it's not just about making money. It's about preserving and growing your capital over the long haul. 3. One indicator to rule them all? The art of market analysis. Market analysis involves deciphering a sea of indicators. Dr. Elder introduces the analogy of a man and his dog, representing long-term and oscillating indicators. It's a journey into understanding the roles of trend following and oscillating indicators and how they work together. We explored the 3 rules of thumb, for using indicators and why a nuanced approach is the key to effective market analysis. The moving average, a trading icon, gets a makeover. Dr. Elder advocates for using exponential averages over normal ones, revealing the power of giving more weight to recent data. It's about understanding how the small tweak can enhance the accuracy of your analysis. Market indicators gain credibility when confirmed by related markets. Dr. Elder introduces the concept of cross-confirmation, where similar indicators in related markets strengthen the validity of your analysis. It's a strategic move to ensure your market reading is grounded in multiple perspectives. Timeframes matter in trading. Dr. Elder emphasizes the significance of choosing the right timeframe for your analysis. From weekly charts to hourly charts, we explore why signals in longer timeframes often precede more significant price movements. 4. The triple screen trading system, navigating the waves of market trends. Trading often comes with conflicting signals from different indicators. Dr. Elder's triple screen trading system is a beacon in this chaos, offering a systematic approach to validate trades. We embark on an exploration of its 3 screens, each designed to navigate a different aspect of market trends. Imagine the market as an ocean with long-term trends representing powerful waves. Dr. Elder introduces the first screen, focusing on identifying these market tides. It's about riding the waves in the direction of the long-term trend, ensuring your trades align with the broader market sentiment. Every wave has its ripples, and Dr. Elder's second screen helps identify opportunities amid the contrarian currents. We explore the importance of timing your entry, using oscillators to pinpoint buying and shorting opportunities. It's like riding the waves against the tide without getting swept away. The third screen unveils the art of capturing short-term ripples in the market. It's about entering trades strategically, using techniques like trailing buy stops for buying and trailing sell stops for shorting. Dr. Elder provides a step-by-step guide on how to execute these moves, ensuring you don't miss out on profitable intraday opportunities. 5. Money Management 101, building Fort Knox for your capital. Dr. Elder's insights on money management form the backbone of a trader's financial fortress. We explore the priorities of survival, steady returns, and high returns. It's not just about making money, it's about making money sustainably. Survival is paramount, and Dr. Elder introduces the 2% rule, a golden principle in risk management. Never risk more than 2% of your equity in a single trade. We delve into why this rule acts as a safety net, protecting your capital and ensuring you live to trade another day. Steady returns are the stepping stones to long-term success. Dr. Elder emphasizes the importance of consistent, incremental gains over time. It's not about hitting home runs. It's about playing the game strategically, ensuring your wins outweigh your losses. While high returns are the dream, Dr. Elder reminds us that they come after survival and steady returns. It's about growing your capital intelligently, not chasing after unrealistic gains. We explore the balance between risk and reward, understanding that sustainable success is a marathon, not a sprint. And there you have it, a comprehensive journey into the world of trading through the lens of Dr. Alexander Elder's Trading for a Living. Remember, trading isn't just about charts, it's about mastering yourself. Thank you for joining us on this episode of Wealthway. We hope you found the tips and tricks shared here valuable for your financial journey. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to stay updated with our latest uploads. Feel free to ask any questions or share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep striving for success. And remember, your wealth awaits.